Hey guys, this is my first video, first vlog. This marks as the starting of my vlogging career. And today I'm here at Raipur Marine Drive. Arguably the most popular place in the city. Let's explore it, see what it's all about. Basically, it is a pond surrounded by food stalls and people. If you can see, we will try to walk around the pond and hope to get back at the same spot after exploring. So let's get started. So this is my first vlog. It probably is going to suck, but please bear with me because it's my first vlog. There are okay, somebody is singing. सर मैं व्लॉगिंग करता हूँ. मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है, आप बजा देंगे क्या, मतलब गा देंगे क्या, सॉरी पन्ना की तमन्ना गा देंगे आप. थैंक यू. थैंक यू सो मच सर गाना गाने के लिए. So that was unexpected, or was it? Because I have seen that uncle many times, but never asked him to sing for me, I guess. So these things are the perks of vlogging, that you can go talk to random people. You can talk to yourself. If I didn't have a camera on me right now, people would think that I'm crazy. But since I'm vlogging, I'm having a camera, people might think that I'm a different kind of crazy. Yeah. So let's see what else we got here at Marine Drive. We have got a long way to go, guys, and people just come here with their friends, some people alone, I guess, to just hang out here. And since it is at the center of the city, this has become a hot spot. Some people have come here with their wives, I guess. I've seen many people coming with their girlfriends, so I guess if you got someone, this might be a place for you. And today is, I think, Thursday night. It's not even Friday yet, but we can still see people coming. I mean, there are people. It's not empty or anything. And I think it is always like this every time I have been here. So let's walk around, find out what else we got. I'm not sure if that guy is jogging or he's in a hurry. But anyway, let's continue. The weather is nice today, so I think people people are here always. I'm not sure if it's about because of the weather. Some people are playing chess over here. I don't want to disturb them. Then we have got a place to eat. I think, what is it called? Spree Walk or something. We have got Mitra, the Chap, Nescafe and everything you might need. Nice place to hang out actually. We still got a long way to go. We have to cross this whole place. I mean, we have to go around the whole pond and we are just starting. So let's see how it goes. We have got a Weebster store. I guess it's about anime. I don't plan on buying anything right now, so I'm not sure I'm allowed to show what they've got. भैया मैं व्लॉगिंग करता हूँ, आपकी दुकान दिखा सकता हूँ? नहीं दिखा सकता? ठीक है, ठीक है, कोई नहीं. Okay, that was still okay. I guess I need to respect people's privacy and always ask them first. We have got jewelries. I don't know what they're called. We have got phone cover. There are all kinds of things here. I'm not sure. There are candles. This place looks promising also, as I see so many of this banner saying opening soon. So maybe they are planning on opening more stores over here. Puran Puri. I've never eaten a Puran Puri. I think I'll try it later. Healthy and juicy leafy. We even have a gym here. I don't know if this vlog is getting boring, but let's continue. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. You left your job for this. But I mean, I can't complain. It's better than sitting at office for 9 hours, right? I think we have reached an area where there's, I don't know, there's not much to see over here. There might be some plans of opening stalls here, but as of now there isn't anything. Now that I think about it, I was giving that Weebster guy free promotion, but he denied it. Your loss, bro. If this video ever gets popular, even after years, he is going to regret it. We've got a train station here. Shit. I don't know if they have got trains. It's just a vlog. I don't know. They were trying to hide, but okay. Okay, so around this area, I guess you just walk and hang out. And if you want to eat something, if you want to be near more people, I guess you like crowded spaces, then over there is your place. But we are going to eventually reach there after walking around this pond. So let's see what we have got. I think I am saying what we have got a lot, but it's my first vlog, guys. I will figure things out as we go. I will probably cringe watching this vlog, I don't know, but you get to start somewhere, right? So here is my starting point. And as I was saying, that even if there are some perks, even if you are not a vlogger, you can just take. Some people are fighting. Even if you are not a vlogger, you can just take out your phone, you can start filming and start talking to yourself. Because without a camera, you are a weirdo or crazy, or I don't know. But with the camera, you suddenly are a vlogger. You still don't get that kind of respect, I guess. Actually, I don't know if there is respect or no respect in vlogging. Spree walk. I think there used to be, what do you call it, jhulas over here. Yeah, and about why I'm speaking in English, it's so people do not understand, do not judge me. Guys, I gotta do what I gotta do, because this is my first vlog and I don't want to feel weirded by people staring at me. So I chose to make this vlog in English so they don't understand what I'm saying. Okay, we have covered most of the walk and we are over to the other side. I think we are going to see some food stalls again, because I think not everyone walks all the way over there. People just come here and walk around the stalls, eat and hang out there and leave, I guess. Also, since the space is big, we have got opportunity. I think people do come here for just walking also. I hope they were not talking to me. I don't know what this is. Namak Satyagrah Dandi Yatra. Let's get going, guys. We are almost to the other side. I don't know if I am going to take out the clips that might be a little boring, or just dump the whole clip on YouTube. We will figure out as we go. And Also, the best thing to get good at anything is to just start it, right? So I have started it. I am going to get better. I don't know if I'm supposed to show my face or the surrounding areas right now, but let's go. Vlogging sometimes gets weird. You start thinking and what other people are thinking about you, but I guess this is because this is my first time doing this. I don't generally film videos on public, so as we go we will get used to it. What's that? Inoki booth. Not sure what you're supposed to do in there. It's just, maybe it's for photograph, I don't know. Okay, so we have almost reached the other side. No, not yet, but we are going to anyway. So people do all sorts of things over here. Some people come here to hang out. Some people come here for food. I've seen people playing chess. Some people like to show their singing skills. Some just walk around here. I don't know, for fitness or something. And there are people like me who come here to find out what other people are doing here. Oh, what's that? Formula One simulation. That looks fun for a kid anyway. Pizza Galleria. So we have started seeing some more restaurants over here. So it's not a small place, it's quite big. You get lots of options over here. We have got House of Fears. Maybe some other time, I'm not sure. Okay, what else we have got? Play and learn. Play and learn and VR zone. This looks close. Okay, that place sounds interesting. I wouldn't say scary, but definitely interesting. We've got a Pizza Hut. This is Amasa. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe I'll go there someday and find out. Okay, what else we have got? We have got some trees. I don't know if trees are interesting enough. Okay, so we have got ducks. They are definitely interesting enough to show them in my vlogs. I don't know how they reached over there at the platform they're sitting at. Aren't they supposed to be on water or something? Okay, one duck is raising his leg. And the white one is just sitting there like it's dead. I hope it's not dead, but let's go. I was expecting to see more food stalls in here, but I guess this is the less crowded side of the Marine Drive. We have got Carnival Play and Win. These stores always seemed like a scam to me, so I never really go there. Maybe because I don't have skills, I can't win anything. But maybe people with skills can still get something valuable out of there, but not for me. We have got some food stalls over here. I plan on eating something here. I think I will go to that Sikkim Jojo. Let's end my vlog. We have almost reached the point where we started. Maybe not yet, but soon enough we will reach there. Okay, that's interesting. Some people just live here, I guess. I am trying not to film people directly. I don't know. I haven't watched even a lot of vlogs to figure out what you should do and what you should not. But I heard a quote. I like it. It's that you should not have shoulds and should nots. So let's forget the rules and just do whatever feels natural at this moment. I just need to find one person who would find this interesting enough to watch the whole video, and my this video would be successful. Now that I am at it, is vlogging more interesting than just walking down the street? I mean, would I have felt better if I didn't film my walk over here and just went home after walking? So I think if we are talking about interesting, vlogging always stops just walking. So we have reached the point where we have started. So we will conclude our vlog, I guess. Some people are getting pictures with it. Okay, let's conclude our vlog. Thank you guys. I hope you like this. Share and subscribe, I guess. I never thought that I would have to beg for. I mean, I'm not begging, right? You can just subscribe it if you feel like. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.